Delivrd is an inventory management software for any business. To get started with Delivrd, you have to create your products in Delivrd. You can do it manually or by importing products data from a spreadsheet. Once you created your products in Delivrd, you can start updating your stock level. To update stock level to current levels, you can do an inventory count. Just enter current, actual physical quantity, and you're all set. When you physically receive stock, usually from a supplier or a customer return, you need to execute receive inventory transaction in Delivrd. You enter the received quantity, and inventory is increased by the received quantity. When you issue stock, usually to a sales order or a return to vendor, you use Delivrd's issue inventory transaction, which reduces inventory by issue quantity. Any inventory transaction is written to Delivrd's transaction history, which allows you to understand how inventory has progressed over time for each product. In Delivrd, you can manage your inventory in more than one inventory location. An inventory location can be a warehouse, a remote office, a room, or anything else that is used to store the products. You can easily transfer inventory between locations with Location Transfer Inventory Transaction. Once you are comfortable with Delivrd inventory transactions, and your actual real-world stock is reflected accurately in Delivrd, you can start benefiting from low inventory alerts. For each product, you can set a reorder point. If inventory quantity falls below that level, you will get alerts in the dashboard, in the inventory list, and optionally, a daily email. Low inventory alerts is a powerful tool that helps you make sure you always have enough stock to fulfill any demand for your products. A customer order or a remote office needs for office supplies. Inventory fell below reorder point level? It's time to procure more of that product. You can do that using Delivrd's purchase order. Just define the supplier and add products to a purchase order. The purchase order allows you to communicate with a supplier and keep track of the progress of deliveries of products from your supplier. When you receive stock from your supplier, you can enter received quantities or scan the items using a barcode scanner. Received quantities increase stock. Transaction history will show all quantities received against POs. With Delivrd's ATP, you can predict stock shortages in the future and expected future spend based on a demand forecast and actual purchase order data. Similar to a purchase order, a sales order allows you to keep track of orders placed by your customers. From the moment an order is received through picking, packing, and shipping, Delivrd helps you make sure you deliver on time, as promised, avoiding costly stock shortages. When orders are packed and ready to be shipped to a customer, you can issue the items from your sales order, reducing inventory quantity. Again, transaction history will track that too. You can also attach documents to any product, purchase order, or sales order, bringing all relevant information together, easily accessible through Delivrd.